Hey you guys, welcome to today's video. This feels like the craziest thing ever to me because I don't even really know where to start. I feel like I'm out of my body at the moment. This is insane. Like I'm nervous but calm. I'm sure you guessed by the title that we are going to be talking about my brand and I am so excited. I have kept this the biggest secret of my life. I don't think there's ever been a bigger secret. I never let you in on what I was working on behind the scenes, but oh my God, I'm actually so excited that I'm crying. Like I've never had like excitement tears. This is really strange. I have been working so hard behind the scenes quietly and diligently over the past several years bringing this to life. I still maintained my YouTube channel and I have to say I'm so proud that I was able to do both. I actually decided last minute to make this video because I was lying in bed and I was reading comments from you guys because I left a comment in my Ride or Die video talking about my brand and everyone was like, oh my God, you know, and excited, and I got excited and I'm reading every single comment and there were so many questions that I was like, okay, like I think I need to sit down and just have a chat with you guys about it all. So that's what I'm gonna do today, but I do wanna let you guys know that my brand launch is happening Friday, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The website will go up tomorrow, but you can actually purchase on Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, let's hop right into it and talk about my brand for a change. I review products here and I talk about other brands all the time, and to actually be talking about what I'm up to is really cool. We're gonna start with Amy Davidson 87. She says, why do I feel like it's going to be super bougie and expensive? Probably because I use Guerlain primer and Chanel, and you know, I'm all over the place. Like I love my drugstore stuff, I love my high-end stuff. I do my WTF reviews here on my channel, but it is not gonna be at WTF pricing. That's not what I'm going for. So it's gonna be more than drugstore pricing, but not like, oh, why would she do that? Candice L. Ruffy says, stop. Cute emojis, crying face. This brand is going to be top notch with Tati's high expectations and knowledge in the beauty industry. Thank you so much. I am so excited. I can't wait. Get credit card ready. So I want to emphasize to you guys that sales will happen Friday morning, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And the reason that I'm saying that over and over and over, and I'll continue saying that all week, is because I really have no idea how this is going to go. I feel like we have a lot of product on hand, but at the same time, I really don't know what to expect. I just know that I have worked my butt off developing this, and you know, now we're ready to kind of unleash it all. Hollywood Hill says, I have to wonder if this has anything to do with the mention of a collab in Jeffree Star's video. I know some people wouldn't be down with that, but I sure would be. This is just me. This is my brand, my thing. I invested in it. I am bringing this to life. I'm not collaborating with an investor, another company, a brand. It was so important for me to be able to deliver a product that I 100% through and through believed in without having to cut corners anywhere because someone else thought that would be a good idea. Like I just didn't want that outside influence. I wanted this to be my thing. So I am not collaborating with anyone. These questions are making me sweat. Oh my God, sometimes I question why I wear sweaters on camera. This is my lucky sweater because it's like a hair flip, because my sister picked this out for me and it just oddly makes me feel like close to her because she picked this out. I'm kind of regretting it right now though. Okay, moving on. Flower Power says, I hope she's doing a skincare brand. I mean, look at her flawless face. Thank you so much. That is like the sweetest comment ever because you guys know that glowing gorgeous skin is a big deal to me. Zombie Killer says, ew, LOL. Why? Why are you here hating? Why do people go out of their way to blow off steam on someone's Instagram page? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Why I'm doing this is because I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in myself. This was a big dream of mine for a very, very long time. And I think it's something to be celebrated when a woman is investing in her own brand and investing in herself. Why not, is what I say. Why not? I think the underdog can definitely win, and I am living proof of that. I started with like the crappiest tripod ever and the crappiest camcorder, and I sat in my bedroom and I talked about my love of makeup and products, and I built from there, and I made 1,500 videos to get to this point. This is not overnight. This has been a long climb, and I'm thrilled. And anybody that's not thrilled can just take a hike. You can just get out of here, because I'm thrilled. And I also want to let you guys know, anybody out there that is starting out and you have a big dream, go for it. Because you know your dream, no one else does. No one else can take that from you. And if I listened to every hater along the way, I wouldn't be sitting here sharing everything about my brand with you right now. Okay. Beauty by Leanne says, OMG, I am so excited for at Glam Life Guru. Will you be shipping to the UK? Or says, I hope we can get it in the UK. Yes, you can. I will be shipping worldwide from day one. Day one, you can get this anywhere you like. Bree Naturally says, I'm sure it'll be private labeled. And no, it won't. It won't be private labeled. It won't ever be private labeled. And that just means that basically something that already exists, you change the packaging, you put your name on it, and then you present it like, hey, here's my product. I'm not doing that ever. Everything that I have developed, all of my formulas, all of the packaging, everything A to Z has my touch, and I have created it all from scratch. Even the packaging design, you guys, it took a long time, but I did not want to just pick something off a shelf. I actually wanted to create it, and this is going to be a tone and a theme throughout the brand. Everything is so well thought through to kind of a crazy extent. I am so detailed, and I would never ever just pull product and smack my name on it. It's just not my vibe. It's not my thing. Not gonna do it. Rihanna Forever Navy 7 says, she's gonna share and use the same factory of Jeffree Star and Laura Lee makeup lines. You already know it since they're besties. Also goes on to say, the truth is it's cheaper to share one big factory than pay thousands of dollars to buy your own. Tati, Laura Lee, and Manny don't have that big of money, and they're not gonna spend on their own. So they've been sharing with Jeffree Star and using his workers to create their products. So I mean, I can kind of get where people are coming from that would think that way initially, but no, I am not doing this with Jeffree. I'm not doing this with anyone. I'm not sharing a factory with anyone. And is it expensive to do this on my own? 100%. I am all in, you guys. Like, part of the reason that I have been filming and filming and filming and posting 5 days a week and doing things a little bit differently here on my channel is because I knew what it would take to create this brand, and I am so proud that I have done it on my own. I don't have any outside investors, and yeah, it was expensive. I hope this works. Of course, I'm working with some of the smartest and brightest in the business, and I'm not a chemist. I'm not, I don't know how to make actual packaging, but I did design it. I do go through formulas, and it's not like somebody else is my boss telling me yes, no. It's me making the call, me calling the shots, me saying what I want, how can we make it better, how can we push those boundaries, how can we put the best stuff in this, and how can we make it different and something that people are going to enjoy so much that I am willing to bet it all on this brand. To go on, like, you see a lot of these questions. This is on the Trend Mood page, I believe. Says, Big Daddy Mish says, no product development, just buying it wholesale and getting your own brand stamped on it. No. I literally sketched all packaging. It is custom. Everything about this is custom. Everything is developed from scratch. I am not buying off the shelf, period. Acela says, I hope she decides to make her brand cruelty-free. Yes, I proudly have made the brand cruelty-free. OMG, I need them. Will your makeup ship worldwide? It will ship worldwide, and we will have tracking. We will be shipping through FedEx. Everything will be done very seamlessly, very professionally, and you guys will have access worldwide from day one. Jessica Simmons says, I haven't heard about this. I'm not on social media. I just watch your videos. So excited. Can I ask a dumb question? Where is it being sold? Not a dumb question at all. I am only going to be selling online. I made that decision because I wanted to pour as much money into my brand as possible without having to wholesale and then wind up on a shelf here and have to charge more because of those margins. You have to think behind the scenes of all of these different ways to go about it. and I am trying to deliver the very best to you guys with keeping the price reasonable, so you will be able to purchase it on my website. And the other great thing about that is when you purchase off of my website, you will know that it is an authentic product, that it is not a knockoff, because we will not be selling anywhere else. Anna says, Tati, will it be free of those particular chemical ingredients that you always avoid, and full of natural goodness and essential oils? Anyway, you're the only beauty guru that I watch and follow. Keep being humble, with a cute little smiley face. Thank you so much. I will always stay close to my past in a way. Like I never think that I have made it, and I like that. I like keeping my work ethic in it and keeping like this motivation to push forward, because I really started out with nothing. Like I've built this from nothing. I had nothing. I literally was jobless when I started YouTube, and I wasn't making any money. And there's such a story there that I feel like one day I will share with you guys. But there's not a day that goes by that I am not so grateful. I literally just thank God every morning of my life. I love what I do, and that keeps me very centered and grounded. So thank you so much for complimenting me with that. I also want to say that I am absolutely avoiding using any ingredients that are known allergens, any ingredients that will not work or are unnecessary, and you would be surprised how much of that goes around. It's like shocking. It really is. So yes, I am all about putting in as much good as I possibly can, and that will always be, the story with my brand. Makeup Heaven 13 says, wish these YouTubers would stop coming out with their brands and just sticking to reviewing. I'm gonna disagree with you on that one, because I think YouTubers that are really passionate and enthusiastic about product are actually very hands-on, where a lot of the time, not all the time, but a lot of the time, bigger brands, it's all chemistry and lab and boardrooms and what's gonna sell and marketing and how can we make the most money. And for me, that's not the case. That's not the case at all. I really thrive on making people feel beautiful. That is my biggest mission. That feeling is power to me, and I think that's why I'm so drawn to cosmetics and products and any little thing that can really just help you throughout the day to feel more confident about yourself. Kennedy says, it's more mature, I think. I think she'll appeal more to women her age because, let's face it, a lot of other beauty gurus appeal to a younger demographic, and that's true. I am so happy that I am on this platform, and when I started, everyone was like, you're not a teenager, get out of here. And I'm so grateful that I didn't listen to that, because I almost quit. Like, I really did. You have to be 16 to do YouTube. Everyone's making fun of me here, and I literally was like in my late 20s, and I almost was like, peace. My brand is absolutely through and through inclusive for men, women, different ages, different skin types, skin tones. It is for everyone, and that is something that I could not be more thrilled with. And I'm so excited to see your guys' response. C. Parker 1226 says, at Glam Life Guru, I'm really so happy for you. Thank you so much. You guys, whenever you say that you're happy for me, like, I smile so big. She says, I'm happy for you. I'm more excited for this than any other influencer line or product, not only because I know the makeup will be amazing, but because I have followed you since 2012. I've been doing this for a long time. She says, I've always felt a real honest connection with you and your content. And as a makeup artist, I so appreciate all your thorough and in-depth reviews. I love you and congrats. Thank you so much. That was like the sweetest comment, and that kind of support is just pushing me right along and getting me so excited for everything taking place on Friday morning at 10 a.m. I'm so thrilled. I guess we're gonna end the video here, but I just wanna also add, because I'm seeing this comment, like even in this last one, I'm seeing this comment a lot. Who said it was makeup? I'm going to share everything you need to know tomorrow morning. I hope you guys come back for that. I want to thank you again and again and again for being so supportive. And I'm not just talking about right now. I'm talking about through this whole YouTube career, like the whole thing from day one. Everybody out there that has been with me, those of you that have just hopped on and started watching my channel, I appreciate you all so much, and thank you for letting me do what I love to do and for allowing me to have this opportunity and to create my own brand. You are definitely in my mind, like front and center as far as what I want to bring to market and what I think you guys would love. So I'm getting a little emotional. I love you all so much. I will be unveiling everything tomorrow morning. So have a good night and I will see you then. Thanks for watching. Mwah.